at the JayZee Wraps Compound, boy. You see it. Ain't gonna lie, y'all did a thing with this, bro. This black drop y'all did, bro, the videos come out crazy. Look. Yeah, y'all did that. Man.
Y'all niggas want an egg sandwich? How much you got? You look like you want a breakfast sandwich, nigga. No, I got a 2 egg sandwich. You ready to go? Don't go. No, I'm barely going to one right now, but they good as fuck, so you take it.
Hey, cuz that shit badass. A black drop,
That shit hard, man.
bro, it makes the videos come out crazy. Look at that. Kind of crazy that they come out of videos.
And the garage is open too. When it's fully studio type
If
lighting.
it's all the way closed down, exit that extra
I
lighting.
can tell these people what we got going on.
Man, a whole lot of. It's a whole lot of, man. Y'all see it. We got the JayZee Wraps Compound, man. Boy got the truck out here. 2 JayZee GTE swap Toyota. I see it, man. See that big old intercooler, man. That's a bad boy right there. Anyway, we out here at the JayZee Wraps Compound. It is Sunday. Out here in Texas, man. We got a 2001 Lexus. Soon to have a coilover installed. Let's see what coilovers we working with. Let's see what we working with, brother, man. Man, where's the keys to this jump? See what we working with, G. So it was a 2001 Lexus IS300. Getting coilover installed. Let's see. I'm not sure what brand. It's like an off-brand. Little eBay brand, you know. BF. BF. Similar to BC, you know what I mean? I believe these are front ones. I believe these are rear ones. Yeah, man. Finna get this up out. Get this under the fucking fork. Got the keys to it. Adjust the height. Yeah, man. Finna get under the fork though. I know you good, G. What y'all got going, man?
Hey, we finna start the first one right now.
Let's get it, man. Look. Now that's bone stock.
You gotta be raw. Oh, you in the way a little
Bone
bit.
stock, and then that's the wagon right there. That's modified. Woo.
Welcome to JayZee Wraps, baby. Hell yeah. They showing what we got going. One JayZee IS300. Hey, this the one that started it all, Heckler. You already
Yo,
know.
yeah, this right here.
Everybody knows it's hacks, bro. You know this
Man.
started it all.
This IS300 right here is a sport cross one. This is what started everything. The whole JayZee Wraps, everything behind it. This is what it's based off. The story behind it all. The blueprint. You know what I'm saying? Come on, show them the motor real quick. This ain't no ordinary IS300. You know what I'm saying? Woo! Boy, look at that auto hood too.
Hey, and it's getting tuned tomorrow.
And there, look at that.
Tomorrow, bro. Dyno day. That hope we be pushing 450.
If you don't know, that's a one
That's
JayZee.
just step one.
I see it, boy.
Yeah. Hey,
JayZee
show them
Wraps
this,
Compound.
though. Show them this for real, bro. JayZee Compound, straight up. Show them this. This all is fully modded out. Wrap, wheels, lowered, fucking engine swap, inside seats, underglow. It got everything. This all is fully modded out, and check out the factory stock one outside.
Yeah. Show them this one right here.
The bone stock.
Completely bone stock.
Ain't got nothing but a dent on
Hey,
it.
let's pop the hood for them real quick. Show them what we mean by the difference of bone stock. Pop the hood on that one real quick.
It ain't gonna be like this for long, bro. I swear, bro. They all start this way. First thing is the coilovers. That's why we got it in the lift bay right now. Hey, and shout out Hadda. This is his car. This ain't this ain't even our car.
As you can see, big difference, boy. I see a whole lot going on, man, but don't forget the beast in the background.
Yeah.
You gotta let them know about that one, JayZee. You gotta know.
It's a little different. Hey, people put the 1Js in IS. They don't put
Yeah, they don't know what the big boy shit is right here.
This ain't no joke, man.
Don't play.
Check it out.
Might look like an ordinary truck just cruising, cuz.
We don't just pop up and park up. We gotta pop the hood.
You gotta pop the hood on them. Look at that.
It ain't done. We doing an battery change. We cleaning it up. But
Shit, it look good though.
it got the heart of a champion.
Oh yeah, you don't see that every day. Ooh-wee.
Sure.
Yeah, man. Finna get this John in the fork, pick it up. Boy, look at them over there, like still original. Man. Yeah, this thing burning oil, I could tell. Oh, I don't know leaks from the valve covers. Yeah, man. 2001 IS300. Now you see the big difference. This is a bone stock. Bone stock. See it? And when you come here and you look at this John right here, this is what you call souped up, tricked out to the T. All done by JayZee Wraps, you know what I'm saying? All done here at the JayZee Wraps Compound. Everything done here, to the wrap, to the motor work, to the wheels, to the window tint. Everything custom. I don't know if the interior door open. Oh yeah, there it go. Custom steering wheel. Of course, it's manual, and it got a whole complete touchscreen, Google and Apple CarPlay on there. Oh no, it's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay on there. And it got the bucket seats. Here, got the gauges. Everything is a project around here, man, but we get shit done. Shout out JayZee Wraps.
Shout it out real quick so they know.
JayZee Wraps.
We gotta shout it out real quick so they know your YouTube and we know, you know.
Oh yeah. For sure, man. Y'all go ahead and, man, check out JayZee Wraps.
JayZee Wraps. You look
Yeah.
up JayZee Wraps on YouTube, you gonna find me. My dog already been doing it for a minute.
Yes, sir. Y'all already see, man, behind the camera right here.
Catch up,
Yes, sir.
We've been working. Ain't
Yeah, I
nothing
see,
new on
man.
that, but now we trying to show y'all the work. And hopefully, you know.
Yeah, you hear from the man himself, bro. Showing y'all the whole compound. What's going on. Vinyl wrap, window tint, motor work, whatever you need, wheels and tires. My boy got it, man. The whole team is here. 7 days they open.
Hey, now we gotta introduce him to the big dog.
Oh man,
Big
the
dog.
real dog right here.
Hey,
He's
that's
somewhere
not
around
boss,
here.
but I ain't really
Hey, make sure you got him on the leash now.
The big boss, the big dog, he's gonna walk in here.
I'm scared now, cuz. Hey, I just seen you extended that right there. Hey, you extended that right there?
What?
This part, or am I tripping?
Hell yeah, bro. Bro, we've been doing shit.
You extended this, right?
Yes, bro.
Okay, yeah. I'm tripping,
That shit
bro.
crazy,
That whole look badass. Oh
Bro,
yeah.
it's a loft, and guess where it's gonna be? What you
What you
It's
got?
gonna be my dog right here, his barbershop, right up there.
Ah, shit.
In the shop. Barbershop in the shop.
Like that.
Congratulations again,
Hell
bro.
yeah.
We're gonna go crazy.
I'm telling you, bro. Whatever you need done, you can get your car worked on and get a fresh
Straight
fade,
up,
man.
bro. You can't beat it. Hey,
When they
I'll
say
see-
one-stop shop,
Bro.
this is a one-stop shop.
Hey.
Oh wait,
Check him out, check him out, check him out.
Turbo, sit.
Turbo, come on, man. You gotta
Sit.
take yourself to the camera, man. Come on, man.
Turbo.
Come here, come here.
Hey, this Turbo right here, man.
Check him out, check him out.
He Turbo. You see, he's lighting fast. Look at him.
Go, go.
Woo! Boy, got them hops on him.
Yeah.
Turbo. Wait, sit. Turbo, sit. Yeah, fool, it's me, fool. Hold on, I got shorts on. He gonna scratch my legs up, boy.
Man, this the best dog on earth.
Yeah, this
bro.
is right
You
here.
know this guy, the guys that met Turbo, the people that met Turbo, they already know, man. He's the big dog in this house. It's his room. This Turbo's house right here.
Come on, boy. Woo.
Hey, you ready to get some of that cold wind outside, man?
Man, yeah, he's ready. Look.
Yeah.
Shit. You got turbo and turbo right here. Single turbo. Big turbo right here, boy. It's a big turbo.
Hey, Hey, Ax, let's show them what we've been building too. Fuck it. 'Cause we ain't even talk about
Let's
that.
get it.
Look, this is new. This whole bay. This whole
Yeah.
bay is new. This was
Sure
just,
is.
It was empty, bro. It was nothing
Yeah.
here. It's a whole shop lift
Yeah,
bay
see,
now.
man. Look, he got the lift
We got
going
that
on.
lift,
Got the compressor.
suspension work going on,
Yeah.
Mechanic work going on. Repairs, custom work.
Yeah, yeah. As you can see, yeah, yeah.
We got the storage bay next to it. We're gonna have cars in there that we're working on. We're gonna have storage, tires, all types of stuff is gonna be fully enclosed. Maybe some type of climate control. But yeah, it's a lift bay, and then in there we just built that showroom. If anybody knows the shop, it was empty.
Oh yeah,
It was
man.
fully empty.
It was different. That whole wall, all brand
So we
new.
got a showroom. We're gonna have a waiting area for our clients. That way they don't gotta be, all up in our way, and they can have a comfortable TV, all that stuff.
Okay.
Obviously, we got the barbershop like we was talking about, and then we got the waiting room for the
They're gonna be
barbershop.
nice, bro.
We got a couple other
Can't
things
wait.
in there too that's kind of irregular, if I'm being honest. It's a little different. You see it, you be like, what the fuck is it? Like, it don't even make sense, but yeah, we doing it. This Q50 right here, we got starlights going on.
Which y'all doing starlights on
Yeah.
it? I was
We got
wondering,
it.
man.
Like,
That's
any-
yeah.
any
They
type
also
of-
got if you want starlights.
Any type of work.
Man.
I was just telling one of my customers, he called me, he had his car's rubbing, he needs a level kit. I was like, man, first off, I'm gonna knock it out, and if I can't do something for you car-wise, we know so many people that can, and we don't recommend
For
no
sure.
bad work.
Facts, yeah.
Never recommend no bad work. We don't do that.
Facts.
But yeah, we got starlights on this one, full wrap on the charger, scat pack. We just finished that camera on the Tahoe.
Yeah, that camel look real good.
That Lexus in the corner, my personal car. And this is a slow day if I'm being real. This is like